come join me for a DIY slash project share. Hi, and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me here today. And today I have kind of a DIY slash little project share to share with you. And I just quickly wanted to show you this. I made this with a pizza pan from the Dollar Tree, and this rope is from the Dollar Tree, and it says hope is an anchor for the soul. And I also made these pieces are from the Dollar Tree as well, but the bow is from Dollarama, and the paper, the anchor paper here is I think from Michael's. But anyways, I have a video on this. If you're interested, I will link it down below if I can remember. But I did make this and I really love it. Here's a few items that you're going to need. You're going to need some like paper, like newspaper to put down so wherever you're going to be painting doesn't get ruined. A little container for your water, some brushes, and of course paint. I've got some acrylic paint and fabric paint. I just use the paint that I have. So that'll be kind of the few things that you'll need to do this little DIY slash project share. So I got these containers from the Dollar Tree. You probably saw me haul them. And this is what I'm going to be doing today with the DIY slash project share, because it's really something easy. And I also got these ones here. I actually have two of these, but I'm just going to do one for you. And then two of these little crab pails things. And this is all from the Dollar Tree. So this is what the project's going to be about today. So if you have these and you feel like doing what I'm about to do with them, feel free to do so. So we're going to start with this little crab little tin. I just think it's adorable. I was going to paint these little stars, but I don't have any yellow. But anyways, I'm going to take my brush and put it in my, well, I don't think you can see, dab it in my water here. And I'm going to use this fabric paint. That's what I have. So I'm just going to put some down. And hopefully this, that's a little too much. And I'm just going to paint. I am not the best painter. I just craft because I enjoy it. Are you seeing this? I hope I'm not ruining. Okay, so you get the idea. So I'll finish this off, and I'm going to show you at the end of all this, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be, how I'm going to display and style this. Hopefully it works out, because right now I think I'm ruining it. So I'm going to move on to this tin that says Lake Life, and has an anchor here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm going to use some blue paint. This is fabric. This is acrylic. So I think I'll probably do the words in the darker blue and the anchor in the lighter. So I'm going to move on to doing that. So here we go. And I have the other ones just, they're not done yet. I'll show them to you when they're done. I'm just going to let them dry, because they're going to need another paint, a second coat. And also, if you're going to do this, you're going to need like a really tiny brush to do this. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Like I said, it's not the best. I'm not a pro. I just enjoy crafting and DIYing, or whatever you want to call it. So I will continue to do this, and I will be back. So there you go, my darlings. There's my finished tins or pails or whatever you want to call it. The crab and lake life. I like how it came out. I know it kind of looks, it's not perfect, but I kind of like it like that. And these are some foliage I got from IKEA a way long time ago, and they're just come in a pot like that. So I decorate with those. You can get something like that at the Dollar Tree too, I believe. And so that's how I'm going to use them. I'll show you in a second. And then for this lake life, I'm not really sure what exactly I'm going to do with it, but you could, like this little sign was from the Dollar Tree last year. You could put that in there and then put like some party, like if you're going to a summer party or something like that, somebody's favorite drinks in there, and maybe a little snack or something for like a little housewarming gift. Or you could just use it as like a little miniature like tub for drinks. So you could put ice in it and then put the drinks. That would look cute as well. So there are just so many different things that you can do. And like I said, you could use that as for a basket for a gift. This, I know it's not a basket, but you know what I mean. So there you have it. I'm happy how that turned out. Or you can just leave the tins the way they were. There was nothing wrong with that either, but I just wanted to try this. So I'm excited. Now I'll just quickly show you where I actually am going to put that one and that one in my home. So I just have them on the speakers on the other side of my fireplace, and I haven't decorated yet for summer for my Nautical, but when I do, this is where I'll put them. This is where I was thinking, so I just thought that I'd put them there for you guys to see, and I just love it. And I'll probably put maybe like something in there, like a little anchor or something like I always do. So there you have it, my darlings. Thank you so much for joining me here today on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. I hope this little DIY/project share helps you out and maybe gives you some ideas. It's nothing new, something easy though, and it might spruce up your house if you're doing kind of the nautical beachy look. So thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly appreciate it. And remember, believe in yourself, I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo for now, my darlings. Toodles, toodaloo. Bye.